Hello there, crafters of the world. I hope you're having a great day. Today I would like to take you through my recent project on how to modify your boots. And what I'm showing you here is the leather I purchased from eBay at a very low price. I found a seller who was selling some 11 4 by 6 inches of leather. So this is a very good variety of leather. I think I had some, well, I think there were 11 colors. Yes, 11 colors. And anyway, I wanted to paint them, as you'll see later on, so it didn't make any importance that they were already colored in red, nuances of brown and so on. So basically I wanted to put these flowers and butterflies onto the sides of the boots as a pair of black above the knee boots, which are destined to be walking boots. Basically I don't have many flat shoes, many flat boots, so I decided, okay, let's buy this pair and make it more beautiful with these butterflies and flowers. And as you can see here, I cut these flowers and butterflies using Sizzix die cutting machine. Of course, for this I had these dies in flowers to flowers one, which came embedded, as you can see when it's close up, and butterflies which are also embedded. The downside is that the dies will not cut through this leather due to being that thick. Will only embed the leather. Anyway, I'm very happy with the result. What I need to do next is to cut, as you could see there, using my scissors. And I'm very happy with the shape of the flowers. Of course, I had to cut the leaves, and for this I did it manually myself using the remnants of leathers between all this pair, between the flowers and the butterflies, and I'm pretty happy with the result too. Next I had to paint the leather, and what I did, I used this Seta color fabric paint, and what I did, I used mixed pink with blue in order to create the purple, although I mainly used the shimmer green as I really like the color. And the final product was all these flowers in the shimmer green, a mix of purple created by myself, pink and some blues on top of the leather of different colors. What I further did, I put some crystals, as you can see there, using the 3-in-1 glue, and I am pretty happy with the result. Next step was to actually try everything on board, see how these flowers and butterflies are going to look on my black boards. So 4 flowers and 2 butterflies and leaves in between on each side of the board. So yeah, in the end, being happy, I started gluing everything, and you know what, it looks pretty cool. I really like it, and probably I'm going to do the same thing for other pairs of shoes or boots. I'm going to apply more leather in different designs at the back. So when doing this, you have to have imagination. Think of the color scheme. This is the color scheme I wanted to have, a mix of greenish, purplish and pinkish. So I'm pretty happy with the final result. I hope this will also inspire you in doing the same thing. Clearly you need to have the dyes, you need to have the right leather. Make sure it's not very thick unless you want it to be very, stuck to the boot. I use the 3-in-1 because the super glue would be surely damaging the boot. The boot is not real leather. At the front is made man-made leather, as I call it, and at the back is fabric to allow my foot to breathe. So as ever, thank you very much for watching this. I hope you are having a great day. Keep in touch with me and enjoy the remaining of the video. Have a nice day. Bye.